Hey, Eric Sider here. I'm on the job here in Paris, Texas. We got a client who has got a pretty severe erosion issue on their dam wall. That's priority number one, but there's also lots of other systems and things to consider. But right now we're gonna go over what's happening here with this dam wall. All right, so we got about a 5-acre property here near Paris, Texas, and 1.25 acre pond, which is a good amount of water on a 5-acre property. And right now, what we've been doing is going over spillway options, lowering the water level. You can see those orange marks there is the water level when the pond's at capacity. And so what's going on here, they bought the property with buildings already in place. These kind of like prefab barn things that were converted into houses. So the previous owners placed those, and then they constructed this dam on a creek and backed up. And what happens when the water line is at full capacity, there's water right at the foundation. So that's an issue, so we got to lower the water. And then the erosion issue here stems from a couple of things. There was an excavation to unearth the gray water pipe, or septic overflow pipe, and then this thing was constructed with the idea of channeling the spillway to prevent erosion, but what it's done, as you will soon see, is create some pretty significant erosion. So we got this, and this was a swale, not swale dung by the two girls that live here, not realizing that you don't want to dig a swale on a dam wall. So the intention was good, it's just application is bad. And so this, you can see this erosion. It's animals everywhere right now, so hopefully the audio is all right. So we got this going all the way down. And so pretty significant. Got a willow popping up out of the erosion. And then over here what happens is, so we got the V drain on the side of the road, flattens out and hops into the property. And so that's meeting up here. And it's almost 2 feet of erosion exposing those roots nearly. What's up, cat? What's going on? Yeah? All right. You checking things out for us? That's nice. Okay, so here we got, here's the road culvert. And that's about 4 feet diameter, so that's a significant amount of water if that's expected to be full in that like 100-year event. So that's the advantage of having something like that is you can use that if you can't get your catchment area and 24-hour rain event data to size your spillway. You can base it off that pipe, and 4-inch diameter pipe leads to, if you want a 3-inch maximum depth of water going over the spillway, it gives you about a 50-foot wide spillway, which is significant. The water level is about 6 inches lower than it normally is, and we want to go another 6 inches lower than that to give a nice buffer against the water line on the house. So that marks right there. So that's about 40 feet from the new water line all the way across. So all that material needs to be excavated. And you can see there's got a 40-foot mark. And then all the way over here is a 50-foot mark. And then if you go up that way, basically right where that laser level is, that would be the start on that side. And we'll go down here. And you can see the flags placed would be the start of the new water line. That would be total 12 inches lower than the current spillway. And you can see how narrow that spillway is. So we're talking 50 foot wide for safety, and right now we have about 1.5 feet. So now that's not every day, that's like the 100-year rain event, but you can quickly see what massive problems that would cause. And this is more or less where you'd start, so you wouldn't go into the dam wall. And you can see the orange marks there. It's where the full to capacity water line is. And that's going all the way. All right, so we're got some earth movers we're in contact with, and they're going to get back to us with a quote and see what we can come up with.